Hey guys, what is up? I am Abira. Welcome back to my channel. This is the Python Crash Course 2.0. That's not an O. Anyways, let's get started. Today we are starting with the regular expressions. So as you can see here on my screen, I am using Atom as my editor. What we'll do is we'll head on over to our terminal. We'll type cd desktop, basically means change the directory to the desktop. Then we'll do mkdir regx. This means that make a directory on the desktop named regx. If I hit enter, it won't show on the screen, but anyways, now we have the regx. Now we can change the directory to that. Okay, now we're in the regx file. First we will save this to our desktop, and you can see on the desktop we have a folder named regx. We'll save it as regx1.py because it's in Python file format. Okay, let's get started. So the regular expressions module, it basically finds patterns in the text or whatever you pass into it. So first off, we're going to import it, import RE, and you might have to download it, I think, but anyways, if it shows no module found, just pip install it. Just search for the command, it will show you. Okay, now that we have imported it, we want to create a new regular expression pattern. How we do that is first we assign a variable. Let's do phone number pattern is equal to, here it's showing me suggestions. It says re.compile. That's what we'll do. re.compile, open and close parentheses, and within these parentheses you want to pass in what you want this pattern to match. Okay, let me show you. You pass in R is for raw, because otherwise we'd have to do some crazy backslashes and escaping characters and all. So just pass in R, and then double quotes, single quotes, whatever. And in here you want to pass whatever you want the pattern to search. In our case, since it's a phone number pattern, we're passing digits, and digits are done with this slash, the backslash I think, or forward slash, I don't know, and D. D stands for digit in the regular expression compile method. It says that any digit, any numerical value like 0 to 9 is recognized as a digit. We want to do 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits, and we're doing it in the United States format. So this, and then there's a dash, then there are 3 more digits, then a dash, then 4 digits. Okay, so it's saying any 3 digits here, then a dash, then any 3 here, then a dash, then any 4 digits. This is the pattern that our this thing will match. Hold up. Okay, now that we have made a pattern, we'll take a user input. So we'll just say number is input. What is your phone number? We end the quotation mark in parentheses. So this input we have taken from the user and stored it in the in the variable called number. Then we want to create another variable. We'll call this phone. Phone number, and this is the variable where we'll search the pattern for any match. So how do we do that? We type in phone number pattern, we do dot search, and then we pass in the variable or the string which we would pass into this re.compile, and it would search for this particular pattern, 3 digits dash 3 digits dash 4 digits. Okay, and that we got from the user. We got it as the number, so we pass number in there. And now if you just print this out, print phone number, and if you want to print out the result, you need to do dot group. Dot group basically means the pattern which you found, just print it out. Okay, if I were to save this, we head on over to the terminal, python regex1.py. What? Oh, I saved it at regex.py, my bad. Let me just rename that. Rename will be regex1.py. Oh, come on now. regex1.py. There we go. What is your phone number? If I pass in 123 dash 456 dash 7890, it gives us the match that it found. We can do another thing with this. We can say my phone number is 123 dash 456 dash 7890, and it still gives us this thing, the match result. But what if we pass it in hello? It says, it gives us an error, attribute error, none type object has no attribute group. What does this mean? And this basically means that we took the input from the user, and in this case this number became it was given the value of hello, and then it searched the phone number pattern for hello, which it doesn't have. We only have these digits here, and because it couldn't find, this became none. Okay, because there was nothing that it could match. If I were to comment this line out, and phone number is none, save that, reload that. Now let's pass in hello. Hold up, we just need to print this out real quick. Yeah, hello. If we pass in anything that is not a digit, it gives us true. For this is basically saying phone number is none. It's asking that and bring it out. But if we pass in a real pattern here, it will give us false, because this 1 to 3, all this numbers that we passed in, they matched this pattern. So it's not none, it's actually the it's giving the value of a regex object. Okay, So to avoid getting this error that we got earlier, the attribute error, what you should do is run an if loop, if statement, if else statement. If phone number is none, print no phone number. Just ignore these errors I'm getting. It's just the extension that I use. No phone number found. And do the else part. We can just print out the group, print out the phone number dot group. If I say that, if I run, no, where's your phone number? Hello. It gives us no phone number found. So what this is basically saying is that if the phone number doesn't match the pattern which we have over here, it will turn into a none type object, and it's saying if it is none, then print no phone number found, else print phone number dot group. We can also do it like this, just pass in an f string, and here, oops, wrong place. Yeah, we can do print your phone number is phone number dot group, and this will basically gives the same result. 1 2 3 So your phone number is this, okay? Because if you don't know what f strings are, f string, we just pass in this variable. So your phone number is then this phone number dot group, which we had about here, phone number dot group. Okay, that is basically it for this video. We discussed making a basic pattern using the re.compile, getting a user input, searching, running an if statement to see if it actually exists, and then printing it out. So I'll leave you with an assignment. You need to make a regular expression pattern which checks for the sentence Batman is cool, okay? And then you would take a user input, then do whatever is necessary so that we don't get an error, and then if there is the statement Batman is cool, you need to print that out within parentheses. Let me just show you. So it should be like Batman is cool dash user. It should print this out on the screen. It's like a code. Batman is cool set by user. That's what you want to do if there is a pattern found. So I am leaving you with that problem. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something new, and I hope that you get the solution to this problem. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and that's it for me.